guys, I haven't been making videos lately. I've been pretty busy with moving and organizing and unpacking and, you know, all that fun life stuff. But I've also been doing some upcycles lately and, you know, little upgrades to the place. So I figured that I would videotape this and see if it helps anyone in their struggles to upcycle or do little fixes to their things that don't break the bank. So in an effort to not contribute to landfill waste, I just wanted to upcycle our patio furniture. You can tell right here, this canvas that was holding up the cushions is just really terrible fabric. It's kind of degraded in the sun and obviously would not support anyone sitting in these seats. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you how I figured out how to refinish this patio furniture. I actually did a lot of research on how to actually just replace this fabric because I thought that might be the easiest thing to do. This is how this was already set up, but I found that purchasing and figuring out how to sew this fabric on was more hassle than it was worth. Goodbye. Look how easily this stuff cuts. It wouldn't feel safe sitting on it. Now that I've removed all the fabric, I'm just going to move on to its replacement, which is this. I bought this. It's a polypropylene webbing, very heavy duty. I just bought it on Amazon. You can get them in lots of colors. You can even get ones that are not quite as heavy duty as this, whatever works for your project. So what worked for me was lying the straps exactly where I wanted them, sewing it down on this end, cutting this end over here to length after the other end was sewed down, and then sewing this one and just continuing on. So I'm doing 3 straps this way and then weaving 3 straps this way. And I always burn off the end with a lighter just to make sure it doesn't fray. To sew, I'm using these heavy-duty repair needles that I got at a fabric store, as well as this waterproof, frost-proof outdoor upholstery thread. It's very sturdy, and the thickness of the webbing is quite thick as well. So you do need a needle very similar to this. This is the one I use here, and it gets in between the threads. And yesterday I struggled with holding the needle and pushing it through. So today I'm going to use these. These are a pair of gloves that I got with my compression hose, but they have lots of grip on them, so they should help me push the needle through the webbing. Lost steam about halfway through, but I drank some coffee and had a snack and I finished it, and I just have one more chair to go, but I am one step closer to having an amazing patio just in time for fall. If you would like to see me do more DIYs that may or may not be terrible, hit the like button. or not. Do whatever you want to do. Anyways, bye.